Carefully. We have here person A starts walking north at 3 feet per second from a point B. 5 minutes later, person B starts walking south. So we have the convention of using direction in this way. Straight ahead is north and towards right is east. Okay, so we will be using this here. Person A walks north and person B starts south from the same point 500 feet due east of B. So let's start B here, and person A goes north. Okay, that's person A, and let's say this direction be just x, and the rate is dx over dt is 3 feet per second, just 3. And 5 minutes later, person B starts walking south from a point 500 feet due east of B. So east 500 somewhere here, and walks south at the rate. So let's say this is person B here, and x and y, and the rate dy over dt is 4 feet per second, and this is 500 feet. At what rate are the people moving apart 10 minutes after? What's out 10 minutes? This rate is given in terms of second, feet per second, but this 10 minutes is same as 10 times 60 seconds, so that is in fact 600 seconds. Okay, 10 minutes is 600 seconds. That will be the case. At what rate are the people moving apart after 10 minutes after the person B starts walking? So person B starts 5 minutes later. Okay, this is 5 minutes later, and we need to determine the rate at which they are separating. 10 minutes after means this person A walks for 15 minutes, person B walks for 10 minutes. Okay, walks for 10 minutes means 600 seconds. Person A, in this case, he started 5 minutes earlier, because this person B starts 5 minutes late. That means 10 plus 5, 15 minutes. So 15 minutes means 15 times 60. So that's 900 seconds. Okay, that's the case. We don't need this anymore. Now we need to determine how far this person is in 900 seconds. Okay, at the same time we need to determine how far this person is after 600 seconds. Okay, let's figure that out. So this distance x is going at the rate of 3 for 900 seconds. So 3 900 means 2700 feet, and y is, this is walking at the rate of 4 for 600 seconds. So 4 into 600, so that's 2400. So B travels 2400, I don't know, maybe somewhere here, and A travels 2700 feet. This is 2400 feet. Then it does not have to be exact. Now this is the distance between these two people. let's denote by x and y already gone, let's say g. And we want to determine the rate at which they are moving apart. dg over dt equals what? Okay, so this is the setup for the question. Now we have three variables because this person A is moving, person B is moving, and the distance between them is also moving, changing. So we need to find relationship between x, y, and z. So we got two right triangles, but we don't know this distance. It's not in the middle because this is 2400 and this is 2700. So they are not same. So this is not the midpoint. So one way we can do is let's complete a rectangle here because this is 90 degrees straight. So this is also, let's draw parallel to this. So make it straight down. Okay. Then from here, draw straight here. So this is new drawing. So that this y, so this will be also y. This is also y. This is 500, so this one is also 500. Now look at this big right triangle. We have 500 and this is g, the distance between two people. And from here, this is x, this is y, so this is x plus y. And now this is a right triangle, means we can use the Pythagorean theorem. So a square plus b square equals c square. That is 500 squared plus x plus y squared equals z squared. So we work on that. Okay. After we complete this, then we are kind of done. I mean, we can start now. Not done. Now, using the Pythagorean theorem, 500 squared, a squared plus b squared means this. This is x plus y squared equals hypotenuse is z squared. And as soon as we write down the relationship between the variables, or in this case among the variables, we need to take the derivative. So differentiate both sides with respect to time. That's the rate. So derivative of 500 squared is 25, 4 zeros is a constant anyways, and derivative is 0. Plus, it's like chain rule, u is squared, and we know when we have u squared, derivative is just 2u times u prime, which is du over dt. So 2x plus y times d over dt of x plus y equals g squared, is same idea. So that is 2g dg over dt. Okay, so we differentiated both sides. Now all we have to do is plug in the given and find the unknown. So let's look at 0 doesn't count. So 2x plus y. So we have found x is 2700, y is 2400 times, oh, that's dx plus y over dt. We can separate into two fractions, dx over dt plus dy over dt. Okay, when we have a sum, then it's easy. Dx over dt. In fact, we know dx over dt. Okay, that's 3 plus dy over dt. We also know that, that's 4 equals 2 times g. Okay, this distance is missing. When this person is 2700 feet away and this person is 2400 away, like here, then what is this distance? That's missing. And we are asked to find the rate of change of this distance, dg over dt. Like other problems, when something is missing, we need to use the same relationship again. Okay, this is the only relationship between among the variables, so we're going to use this to determine the missing variable g. Okay, so let me do one side. So we got 500 squared plus x plus y squared equals g squared. I'm going to use calculator, so I'm just writing 500 squared, 25 and 4 zeros. X plus y. X is 2700 plus y is 2400. 27 plus 24, that's 5100 squared equals g squared. Now we add, okay, using calculator, 500 squared plus 5100 squared, and take a square root. Okay, use your calculator, and it comes out to be 5124.45. Okay, using 2 decimal places. That's the g we're going to plug in here. Okay, so this g is here. Now let's isolate this. We are done. So 2 times 27 plus 24, that's 5100 times 3 plus 4, 7, divided by this number, divided by 2 times whatever that number, which is 5124.45 equals dg over dt. Okay, and this is what we are trying to figure out. Use calculator. That gives the distance between the two people changing at the rate of this one. Use calculator, it comes out to be 6.97. Now we need to put the correct units. It's a feet per second. Feet per second. Final.